Wakaringana.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
If Kasi, one of the teachers at one of the schools that I went to, you know what, they're doing this for this Chinese person. The parents came here, in Mandarin. The kid is being taught in Mandarin.
That's not fair.
But me, that's when I'm like, you know what, I will take the bull and grab by the horn and do it. So we need to take that conscious decision. Go to the basics and teach our kids these things.
And I wasn't taught how to read and write Xitsonga.
Yeah.
Mara mina niti dyondzisini and kuhlaya Xitsonga through Bibele. That's how I learned kuhlaya Xitsonga. And also marito ma Xitsonga lama nga mativa ani ya ka Bibele ya Xilungu ni ya ri lava. Rito leriya ra Xilungu ni twa ku va ri ni ya ka Bibele ya Xitsonga ni ya vona ku va tirhise rito rihi laya. So that's also a way that you can grow your vocabulary. Because I didn't take a book and all these fancy words. And I can get from the context, but I don't know for sure what it means. You can do that. Just compare.
Remember by my vocab. So vocab on my phone because I can take my time and search for it. So I'm a better writer than a speaker. Kambe sweswi ni tidonsi the reason why ni nga ri a better speaker hi mhaka loko ni hleketa complex thoughts ni hleketa hi xilungu so I'm teaching myself to think complex ideas hi ririmi ra Xitsonga within my head without saying it, verbalizing it. If anhlokweni ya mina it needs to be normal for me to think hi ririmi ra mina. Once that's right now I'm at a level wo loko byala byi ngenini xa huma Xitsonga xu basa.
Oh, that's nice.
Mara loko ni ri sober I need to think. I need to search. I need to search.
Africans look after matric ni press alt control delete.
Yeah, that's nice.
No te wa hond. Na retu kenders ma go re fana na le ra rin'wana ro vula ma parcel.
This is out of context, man. But in terms of confidence, I'll make sure that kids grow up with confidence, being sure of what they want and what they want to do. So my team ever sit. So look at the ball one day. But I'm a dribbler. And just dribble, so stuck a ball, should buy the shot. If you have time, look, look, more continue my way. Look, what next time, ball and I take. But just like that. Oh, she need to dribble first. See, but she just strike. I walked.
Wow.
I'm not lying. I look at that point.
Wow, more boys.
My point is, I made that because I was sure of my status in the team. That's how I was sure.
That's it.
And trust me, they changed. So my point is, some of these things, guys, we just need to grab the bull by its horns.
I mean, like I stopped my kid from YouTube.
Yes.
She's on a YouTube detox. Look, I'm going to pop at YouTube. She wanna me plays Xilungu. So I was like, man, she plays in one. She doesn't have a job, so she spends majority of her time playing, which means she spends majority of her time speaking English. So I was like, so no more YouTube, nothing. I won't compete na Xilungu muti no mean. Nishitisa na shintlala na kela date. So now there's a change. She's now using more Tsonga because ule ku heleriweni hi vocabulary ya
Xilungu. Kan ba surprise jubana njo so mina and zadwa zita kushana nziya mara ne
It's okay.
Jina vocab shamjani surprise na tibutisa no mara tala majuma dyondzisa hi mani. Nezinga the first time I think Zipa arna ambarno boma 6 years. Shuka I no bula. I was like
it's an exposure thing. So
and they are willing. Their minds are open to it.
When you speak of exposure,
yeah.
I know I'm speaking secrets. I can't wait for baby Sana.
Oh yeah, that's our big project, Mashaka.
Can't wait for
Mashaka ngwina na sugangu. Everyone angana mali. Manga yinyika mali Mashaka na serious man. Yinyike mali and we do real stuff.
We know how to keep records. We will reconcile everything and give it to you. ID mali, Mashaka. Anyway, guys, this is Being Tsonga in SA. If you come Sukure Roshonga. Hopefully, if we're able to awaken someone who are folk at the talk Norman. Nfane enhla.
It's again more quit. It's again a gang. A bomb savage. Mina nimtsonga yimela kuma savage mina, cause the conservative tsongas I don't agree with that vibe. Me ni yimela ma savage, ni yimela the unorthodox batsonga.
Yes.
I have to be very careful because I can't just speak.
I know celebrate.
But I like when you bend vocab. Eh, no go proud this.
Ekunyungudza.
Awuka tinyungudzi.
Eh.
Nela re rivale ya no sila practice.
That's why
when tinyungudzi seni butsonga bya yena.
And from then on, you know, usidlele akuneshika ta karata. So if I show if I mess the bar, similar I think it's one of the first songs. I came late into Marabenta music. Came very late. My number one. I saw the video and how he shot the video. I'm like, this is beautiful.
That's Mara video quality in Mozambique.
Yeah, no, he shoots it in South Africa.
No, is it?
Yeah.
Mara Mozambican artists from Eliza James.
They invest.
They were great.
They are applying the Afrobeat strategy.
Yes.
By Sabutsonga internationally compared to. I'm sure.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.